Vehicle reassembling videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now. And look at this Instagram page. It has gained more than 12,000 followers just by uploading this exact style of content. And his videos are getting millions of views. In this video, I will show you complete process to create these videos step by step. Open the document link provided in the description. Copy this whole master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Come at the top of prompt box. Here you will find a vehicle section. Replace it with any bike you want to create. For this example, I will type BMW CE04. Now click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your vehicle assembly video. And here it is. Your first vehicle assembly video is ready. You can repeat this process with any bike you like. For example, I will paste the prompt again in prompt box and replace the vehicle with Suzuki Hayabusa. Click Generate. Within a few moments, your another vehicle assembly video is ready. You can create endless variations using this with any vehicle you like. If this video helped you, like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.